Hello everyone! Today on the Wandering Channel, we will explore Antibes Beach, a jewel of the Mediterranean. With its golden sand, clear blue waters, and cute cafes, it is the perfect place to relax and enjoy the sun. You can also participate in water sports or simply stroll around and enjoy the beauty of this place. Come explore with me. The people of Antibes are famous for their hospitality and friendliness, always willing to share stories about local culture and history. The combination of a wonderful climate and the warm welcome of the residents makes Antibes an attractive destination for all visitors. Antibes Beach stands out with its charming natural beauty, where the smooth golden sand blends with the clear blue sea, creating a breathtaking scene. Under the sun, the beach is more brilliant than ever, with girls in bikinis relaxing on the sand, enjoying the fresh air and the waves. Meanwhile, the coral reefs, although not as abundant as in tropical areas, still contribute to the biodiversity of the area with their bright colors and unique shapes. The corals create habitats for many species of small fish, invertebrates, and other marine life. Marine tourism plays an extremely important role in the economy and sustainable development of France, especially in coastal areas such as the Côte d'Azur. The charming beaches and mild climate not only attract millions of visitors each year, but also generate significant income for the tourism industry, local businesses, and the community. Thank you for joining us to explore the wonderful beauty of Antibes Beach today. If you love adventures and want to continue to accompany us on our journey to discover other beautiful beaches in the world, don't forget to click the subscribe button and support the Wandering channel. Each of your subscriptions and supports is a great source of encouragement for us to continue to bring new and exciting experiences. Let's continue to explore, share, and feel the beauty of beaches everywhere.